My name is Soham Jadhav. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. I'm done my BTech from computer science from MIT University, and currently I'm pursuing post-graduation in data analytics from Imarticus Learning. So before joining this course, I was working in MNC company where I was a network engineer, and there and while working in MNC, I found that there was no professional growth in that particular domain. So I decided to upskill myself in data science. So I searched on Google where I can find out best program for data science courses. So from Google, by searching on Google, I just get information of Imarticus Learning, and from there I joined this Imarticus course. So I decided to upskill myself in data science program, and from there I get deep information from of data science and data analytics, other part of data science and business practice stuff. So as I mentioned earlier, I was working in MNC, so it was difficult to convince my parents to tell them that that I have to leave the job over there. So it was quite difficult, but yeah, I convinced them that if I want to upskill myself in technical domain, so I have to leave the job and I have to pursue or gain some. I have to gain technical knowledge, so I have to do some courses. So it was difficult, but yeah, I convinced them in a proper manner, and now they are happy that I'm continuing my course. So when I get to know of Imarticus Learning from Google, from there I get insights that this is a quite good institute in Pune which provide good data analytics courses. So when I came here, there was a counselor who helped me and who gave me a confidence because I was not confident enough that whether data analytics would be great for my future or not. But he made sure that this would be a good option for me to upskill myself. And from there, I joined this course, and from there, and I took admission also. And while getting admission, there were people who supported me from Imarticus, who supported me in each and every step and make sure that there was no problem while taking admission. The best 3 takeaways from this course was that they provide us soft skill sessions, aptitude sessions. Also in soft skill session we have resume building, one-to-one HR mocks rounds, then group discussion, which help us in future to get ready for the industry placements. Before joining the school, I was underconfident whether, though counselor was given the confidence about that I can do this course, but still there was some things that continues in my mind that whether I'm literally perfect for this course or not. But eventually, when I started this course, the trainer made sure that we learn each and every thing in basic to basic manner. When I talk about the trainer was very good. She has quite good industry experience as well as teaching experience also. Yes, for sure I recommend this course, because if someone wants to upskill themselves in data analytics field, this course will be best, because this course just not only upskill them in the data analytics, but this will also help them to upskill themselves in soft skills, in English communication, as well as they will be future ready for the placements and for the IT industries.